morning, good morning. Today I'm going to do a saltwater flush. I have not eaten because they say you want to do it on an empty stomach, and it's kind of late in the morning. It's 9:50. I had to order my stuff off of Instacart because I did not have the right salt. So I'm gonna tell you what I use because I already mixed it together. Warm water through my coffee pot. I had to put a little bit of honey in it because to give it some taste. Because if you've ever had salt water before, you know salt water is fucking nasty. I use natural sea salt. You don't want to use salt with iodine in it. I put lemon juice in it, and I put lime. I put lemon juice in it, and I put lime juice in it, and I put probably about a tablespoon of honey, like I said, for flavor. I just add ice cubes to it because it's too hot for me to drink, and they say you should drink it within 5 minutes. Within a 5-minute time frame. Once you start drinking it, you have 5 minutes to drink the whole thing. Not 5 minutes from when you make it, but 5 minutes all at once. And if it take you 10 minutes, that's fine. So right now, I'm going to go ahead and measure my waist. I don't have like one of them regular things. So my waist is at a 33. My waist is at a 33 inches. That's your waist. Is up here. Then I'm going to go down here and measure. That's 3 feet. I don't have a scale to see how many pounds I weigh. But the last time I weighed myself, I believe I was like 158. But I know I gained a lot of weight. I ate a lot of sugars. I eat fruit snacks 24 freaking 7. Fruit snacks is my guilty pleasure at this moment. I don't know why, but I love them. Like yeah, I gained a lot of weight. And my birthday is around the corner, and I said that I wanted to lose my stomach. I really don't have that much weight in my stomach, but it's not where I want it to be. So, let me go ahead and show y'all. Okay, so this is my salt water. And you want to make sure all the salt granules, whatever they are, whatever, are dissolved. You don't want to see nothing. And you really can use any kind of salt, Himalayan salt, all that, as long as it does not have iodine in it. You can use any salt that does not have iodine. I use a tablespoon in here. About a tablespoon in here. I think I'm going to use a straw. Yeah, I think I'm going to use a straw because I guess I can. Don't mind me. I used a knife because the spoon would have been too short. But I believe that it's dissolved. Y'all, I'm really so fucking nervous right now to do this. Like, I'm scared. And I'm glad I'm doing this early in the morning. I'm not working. I'm not at work. I'm home working. So, because they say, because I did research on this before I decided to do it. I wanted to look up everything in regards to it. Some people say don't lie down after you do it. But some people say it's good to lie down and massage your stomach, to get it moving. So what I'm going to do is, because they say it can happen fast, between 15 to 30 minutes, have you go in the bathroom. So what I think I'm going to do, because like I said, I'm working, plug my computer up in my bathroom, take my iPad in there. That way I'm not trying to rush and grab everything and take it in there at the same time. But all right, y'all, we're gonna go and get started. Hold on. Oh yeah, so let me see my computer. Stop, why does it do that? Alright. I'm gonna go ahead and plug up. I'll do it after I drink it, because it ain't gonna happen as soon as I drink it. And it's not too hot no more.
Well, I had a city council meeting that ran a little over.
Yo, these long dreads are starting to irritate me. I think I'm gonna cut them. Burn them shorter. Because I can't do this long shit. I'm already short as hell. These dreads are more than half my damn height. They come close to my freaking knees when I'm standing on. I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna try to just do it all in one. I don't think I'm gonna be able to do it though. But I'm gonna try that way I'm not struggling. It just tastes mad fucking weird. Oh good, I got a water bottle right here. So after I drink this, I can drink my water. I can drink some water. Because I don't know, the salt is already kind of, you know, salty. And then put the honey and the lemon and lime juice made it like salty sweet. But it's not as bad. Boom, check it like we can do it. Boom.
She only told me that I was named in honor of...
Oh, this shit's still kind of hot. Good God. But then it burned my fucking throat.
Leona's lives. Well, at least with Leona's lives, I could use this fight. She called you.
I probably shouldn't have put it in this because this little tin thing could keep the temperature control.
Leona has caused.
I might have to go get some more ice. So. No, I have not really done nothing. I haven't drunk anything. I took the straw out because I forgot that I read somewhere that you don't want to consume air while doing this. And you know, when you drink out of straw, that puts air in it. I did add more ice in it because it was still hot. I just took some nausea medicine because that was another side effect of doing this. It could be heavy vomiting and very nauseous. So I had some prescription nausea medicine. Already my medicine came in and I just took some of that really quick. But as y'all can see, I have not. And I know when I put the ice in it, I added more water to it. But
Josie? Okay, great. I'll call her. No. You understand? Okay? That night when I left upstairs, I was with Josie. The entire night. Okay? Now look, I'll tell her eventually, but not while I'm in here.
Hi, this is Christy Johnson.
I don't know if I put too much salt. Next time I probably want to do like a teaspoon.
I just want to talk. And, apologize. There is so much going on right now.
Yeah, I know what I'm about to do. Because I really think I put too much salt in this shit. So I'm going to take some of this out. And to put it to another cup and add more water to it. I read this one person article where they did this shit 7 days in a row. How? No way. And I think another thing, I think it tastes nice like it because it's warm. No, it's just still the same. I don't know. I might not get the same results as other people because I'm not doing that shit like that. I'm sorry. Then it's a little better. I can't do it. Yeah, I can't drink no more. I can already feel I'm about to throw up. I can feel it. Nah. It's your neck for me. So, if I'm going to get the same result, you know, a cleanse out of it, I don't know. I may have to do cleansing another way with the pills, because the saltwater flush, that's not gonna work. I feel so nauseous right now. I gotta go out to my car and get these other nausea pills that my mother gave me, because her prescription is stronger than what mine was. I'm gonna throw it. Yeah. My stomach feels so fucking. Like, do you see how I'm talking now? Like, Alright. Just took another nausea pill. I gotta turn that air down. It's hot as hell out here. I'll let y'all know if it start working or not. I feel like it is, because my stomach is like contracting. Like, alright, so if it eventually start working, I'll be back. But I gotta lay down because I feel sick now. I feel too sick. Y'all, just to give y'all an update. It's been about 30-45 minutes already, and I had not gone to the bathroom, but I can feel my stomach like it's trying to work, trying to get me to go. I'm not feeling as nauseous, but I know it's because I took the nausea medicine. So I'm still gonna hold on out. I'm working, and if I'll let y'all know if I end up going to the bathroom. And if I don't, if I can't go to the bathroom by 12 o'clock, I'm going to eat because I'm starving. I'm really freaking hungry right now. And all I want to do is eat. So, I'm back with an update. Alright, y'all. So, it's 4 minutes to 12. There goes the time. I still have not been to the bathroom, so I know that shit did not work for me. So, I'm about to eat. And I'm just going to do this. This actually working. And I'm about to fuck this food up, okay? No more saltwater flushes for me. Because the shit does not work. Alright, y'all. I'm out. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And hit the notification bell. So y'all can know whenever I do fucking post a video. I'm so trifling. Yeah, this was pointless as fuck. So let me just disclaimer. If you're like me with a weak ass stomach, don't do it. But like I said, I believe I probably added too much salt. And that is what happened to me. And it made me so freaking nauseous. And it could have also been me adding lemon, lime juice, and honey to it too. But I was thinking it was going to give it some flavor. Because I'm pretty sure if you had to cut in your mouth, or you had a sore throat before and you swallow, you had to gargle, warm salt water, you know what that tastes like. And it was stronger than that. So, I'm never going to attempt to do this again. I'm just going to either do my smooth move or I'm going to do my pills upstairs. Anyway, I'm out.